my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What's going on, fam? Welcome back to yet another video. I heard you guys, a lot of you guys been wanting to ask how I shot the flames in the last video. How do you do flames and stuff like that, man? So if you guys are wondering, today is the day I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do it. It's pretty simple. A lot of like performance cars and aftermarket cars can do this. One, you guys need to have a free-flowing exhaust. So if you guys don't know what that means, just look that up. You know, there can't be no restrictions. You can have mufflers. My car does have mufflers and stuff like that. Number two, the big thing is that you guys are going to need is you guys are gonna have to need this. And this right here, guys, is an N2MB watt box. If you guys want to check it out, I did make a whole video on installing it on these types of cars. So if you guys have a 96 to 04 Mustang GT, go ahead and click that card right up here and it'll show you guys how to install that. Did a whole like walkthrough with it, man. It's pretty simple, but it's kind of, you know, it's simple to all other cars. Installing the watt box, it's pretty easy, man. But yeah, man, the watt box does it all. It's freaking awesome. So I wish I had a laptop to show you guys, but there's a difference between the milliseconds and stuff like that. If you guys have the software, I will show you guys how to do that, but you can also do it on the box itself. So I'll show you guys that right now. All right, guys, so like I said, all you guys need is a free-flowing exhaust, and all you need is the N2MB watt box. As far as having an automatic goes, I'm not sure, but this does work, I know for sure on the manual cars. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick on the N2MB software. Alright guys, so the cool thing about this watt box is you don't even need the computer, man. The computer I'm really gonna need though for the window switch for the nitrous, but as far as adjusting the two-step and the milliseconds between wide open throttle shifting, you can all do that on the box. So right here, you guys can see it says the watt box is preset for the two-step. To change the two-step, all you have to do is keep the clutch down and you hold the button until you see that many blinks, the corresponding blinks, man. So with the ignition cut, this is what you're gonna need, the top portion right here. You're gonna want to be at 350, so it's gonna be 15 blinks. You're gonna want to do 350 ignition cut milliseconds or above that. I heard that you can do more and it'll give you a bigger flame, but I have mine set it right now at 350, guys. When I was doing the no lift shift and I was trying to, you know, speed it up while I'm trying to race, I did it at 200 and there was no flames available, man. So you're gonna want to be able to do 350 or more. For the ignition time to change it, all you have to do is make sure that your key is forward, the car is not running, and you do this and you literally just hold this button right here, and there will be a light on here that you will start seeing to blink. So you will turn the key forward like this, and I already have mine set, man, so it's already on. All you have to do is hold it, make sure the clutch is up, and wait for those 15 or the corresponding blinks to make it do it right, man. So that's all you have to do to change the milliseconds. Make sure you do 350 or more, and I promise you this will work. As far as for the two-step, all you have to do, man, is just put the clutch in, do the same thing, and it will change the two-step, man. So I have my two-step set at like 3600 right now. I will show you guys how what it sounds like. Alright guys, so that's about it. That's all you need to do. Make sure it's set at 350. As far as making the flames come out with the two-step, I'm not sure how to do that. Maybe you set your milliseconds higher and then set the two-step higher, but my car does not shoot flames with the two-step. But I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. I'll put the camera back here, use my phone, show you guys the footwork, and to do it, man. So it's pretty simple. Check this out. Alright guys, you're gonna want to make sure the car's on, obviously. It's on. Make sure your watt box is on, which it is. And this is gonna be simple, man. I showed my friend how to do this in 20 seconds. So all you're gonna wanna do, man, make sure your car's warm when you're doing this also. Make sure your RPMs are about at 3,000, 3,500. And all you have to do, man, is floor it. Once it gets to there, you're gonna so basically, you guys, you're gonna gas it until it revs up. And then right when it's at like 2,500, you floor it. As soon as it hits 35, when you're flooring it, let it go. Literally just let it put off the gas and push the clutch in real quick, man. It has to be a fast motion. So I'll show you guys right now. I'm revving it up. It's at 2,000. I'm gonna floor it and then stick the clutch in. Like that, man. So I'm pretty sure sure that was a huge flame. I'm gonna show you guys real quick because we're in the back of a Walmart right now. I don't want the cops to come. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Revving it up, and then I'm gonna go full throttle and stick the clutch in. Like that. So I'll show you guys the two-step real quick. We're making a lot of noise right now. The camera's not gonna do it justice, guys. This thing, it literally sounds like someone's shooting a gun, so they're probably gonna call the cops right now. So, two-step, all you guys gotta do, put the clutch in and full throttle it. That's it, man. The higher you go, the more sick it sounds, and it's pretty awesome, man. So I'll show you guys one more time with the footwork. You rev it up, and then once it hits 3,500, or once it's about to do that, you just floor it and then stick the clutch in. So 2,000, floor it. Alright guys, so I don't even have to review the footage. I know that it's gonna shoot a huge ass flame out the back. And I was kind of concerned with the boreless stingers that if it was gonna do it or not. But it sure does do it, man. So as you guys can tell, it's freaking awesome. So I'm gonna try to wrap up this video real quick because I know the cops are about to show up. So yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed it, if this helped y'all out, please drop it a big thumbs up, man. It really helps out the channel so much. If you guys have any more questions, please follow me on Instagram. It's way easier to answer your questions there. My Instagram is FourPointSixChris right here. And you know, tag me in y'all's videos of shooting flames, man. I'm really curious to see what you guys have done with your car and stuff like that. See those fireballs come out, it's freaking awesome, I'm telling you guys. So it's really simple, really fun to do, and you can also do this while you're driving. I'll show you guys real quick. Alright guys, so when you're driving, it's gonna be basically the same concept. I'm gonna try to do this without crashing my car. It's the same concept. It's easier to do it, you can do it in any gear, but it's easier to do it first or second gear, or third gear also. So I try to pick up some, you know, I actually do it in first gear too. So all you guys gotta do is just rev it up, and you're gonna wanna make sure you're a watt, and then just stick the clutch in real quick. So check this out. So, yeah man, so it does it. So all you guys gotta make sure to do is just be over like 3,000. I've done it at like 2,500, but just be over 3,000 RPMs, and you guys should be good. When you're driving, make sure you're at full wide open throttle and you stick your clutch in. And you know, it shouldn't do any damage to your car. Basically what your car is thinking that you're doing is that you are no lift shifting. So when you're no lift shifting, the feature that it does where it cuts ignition is when you're full throttle and you don't lift your foot off the gas, the car is thinking that you're about to do a no lift shift. When you stick the clutch in and stick it back out, there's unburnt fuel going into the exhaust, and when the ignition comes back on, boom, that's when the whole flame comes out, man. So it shouldn't do any damage to your car. As far as the two-step, man, I've heard the two-step, it could be harmful to your timing components and stuff like that, but I'm gonna be using the two-step a lot at the drag strip. I think my car will be fine because when I got the heads done, I got everything done, man, my whole timing components were all changed, man. I changed the guides, the chains, I changed the tensioners, I changed everything, man. So it's basically like a brand new timing set. So I'm not really worried about it, man. Just sounds awesome, man. I love that two-step. So cannot wait to use this at the track, guys. I mean, it's fun to use as flames, it's like car shows or whatever, but I really got it for the no lift shifting and for the two-step at the track. So it's gonna be freaking awesome, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have a lot of stuff on the way, man, so please hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. We're about to hit 9,000 subscribers, and 10,000 subscribers we're next, man, and at 10,000 we're gonna be doing the giveaway, man, so stay tuned for that. So if you guys enjoyed it, please drop a like. Like I said, man, we upload every single Tuesday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. You guys do not want to miss next week's video. I really appreciate you guys that are rocking with me. We'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy 4.6Chris. See y'all later, man. Peace.
So baby, please don't let me blunt. Begging, please don't let me blunt. You can't do this, but I know that I can.